Hey guys, thanks so much for joining the Digital Weather Desk powered by CenturyNext Bank this afternoon. Quick little note, obviously this is not a live video forecast, but did want to bring you a forecast as we go through the rest of the afternoon. I do have an event that we are doing to kind of celebrate the launch of the Digital Weather Desk, pre-planned. So normally, I'd kind of walk you through all the aspects of the forecast in a live form. Not able to do that, and I'll be out of pocket for the next couple of hours, but I'll obviously join you a little bit later this evening if need be. And we'll take a glance at the radar then. As of this video being recorded right around 3 o'clock this afternoon, we do have an active severe thunderstorm warning for about another half hour or so for a large cluster of storms moving out of portions of Madison, Tensas, and eventually into eastern sections of Franklin Parish. $half sized hail and damaging wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour as this storm moves west. Again, west, not east, as you kind of see it looped. Could impact areas as far west as Highway 425. Depending on how long it holds together. And again, what we're watching is something similar to what this storm did in northeastern sections, or just to the northeast of Jackson, where a storm developed and then you can see that kind of almost collapse of thunderstorm winds, almost like a shock wave moving out to the southwest. As a lot of these storms collapse, a lot of the severe aspects may be as the storm kind of dies down or starts to wrap up its life cycle. That could create perhaps the strongest wind gusts as a potential through the rest of the afternoon. So that's something that we'd be watching with that storm along the Mississippi Valley. Across southern Arkansas, most of our activity has been quite isolated. We'll obviously keep an eye on development through the rest of the afternoon. And again, I'll join you if anything is still around later on this evening. A look at temperatures, again, as of the 3 o'clock hour, it's quite hot, especially for the areas that have not seen rain, but there is some rain-cooled spots along the Mississippi Valley. Futurecast shows even a stray shower or storm can't be ruled out overnight. We kind of do this same scenario again tomorrow with the spotty afternoon and early evening thunderstorms. A rogue strong to severe storm can't be ruled out as well. And then Thursday's the same general pattern as well. So you can kind of see we're well entrenched in what is a very typical late summer pattern across the region. Overnight lows tonight, low 70s. A stray storm, again, remains possible even through the overnight hours, few lingering clouds. Otherwise, daytime highs tomorrow back in the mid-90s, more above average temps. If you miss out on the rainfall, mid to upper 90s are certainly a possibility. Those rain chances generally still holding at around 20%. And look at the 7-day forecast. It's a lot of the same over the next 7 days, with highs in the low to mid 90s and morning lows in the upper 60s to near 70. Obviously, again, I will join you a little bit later on this evening. If you ever need an update on the forecast, go to digitalweatherdesk.com, click on the forecast tab. You can get the interactive radar, and you can kind of keep an eye on radar yourself. That's a tool that's available to you 24/7, 365. Again, digitalweatherdesk.com, and click on the forecast tab. I'll join you later this evening, if need be, with any additional developments. And again, until then, have a great night.